How to use NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered note-taking app. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Google's newest and most useful note-taking app out there. It's called NotebookLM. It's a really new tool. NotebookLM is meant to be your personalized AI research assistant, and it is powered by Gemini 1.5 Pro. So you will see that Notebook LM is currently still in its experimental phase. It allows you to collaborate with a virtual research assistant where you upload documents, they are going to be part of your centralized project. It becomes an expert in knowing what information matters to you the most. You can get information right in a snap with Notebook LM. They also have source grounded with inline citations. So if you're someone that is doing specific research and you want to make sure that the accuracy of your information is never compromised, Notebook LM is going to provide you with all the citations and references that you might need. So to get started, simply head on over to notebooklm.google. Once you do, click on Try Notebook LM. Once you do that, you have the option to create your first notebook. Notebook LM is AI powered and it is a research and writing assistant. So it works best with the sources that you upload. It allows you to upload documents, convert complex material into easy to understand formats like briefing docs or FAQs, and you can add key resources to a notebook and share with your organization. You will see on the bottom there are several example notebooks that are already created that you can try out. I'm going to click on Create to create my first notebook. Now over here, we have the option to upload our sources. This can include PDF, TXT, Markdowns, or even MP3 files. You also can link certain websites or YouTube videos. You can also paste text or link from your Google Drive. I'm going to click on Upload Sources, and I'm going to take a source related to our research that we have done in the past. So I can't find that. So I'm going to go into Google Scholar. And once we go into Google Scholar, we're going to upload links to a couple of different articles like this. And I'm going to just go on ahead and link an article like this. So I can just click on copy. And then I'm going to click on website and I can paste the URL over here, click on insert. And now you will see on the left, your source will now be inserted. Now, once you have a source for your particular notebook, you can add multiple sources. So I can add another source. For example, if I want to add the Emerald Journal, I'm going to search for Emerald Insight. This is a journal section. So this allows us to search for any type of public viewing journal. I'm going to do Command C, and then I'm going to paste in the website here. Now, once we've done that, we will see we have two sources, and from here, we can begin chatting with our AI tool. The Notebook LM tool is going to work only with the sources that you've added, so it's going to be very different as compared to the results that you would normally see on a regular AI tool, or if you would regularly search that on Google. You will see on the right, it has also created an audio overview. The audio overview allows you to have a deep dive conversation. You can click on generate, and this will generate a conversation around the sources that you have added. You can see on the top, you have some easy to create or shortcuts. These include FAQs, study guides, table of contents, timelines, and briefing docs. And it has also provided me with a summary of the link that I posted. On the right, I have some suggested questions. So how does job crafting impact employee well-being and structural organizational outcomes, key factors that motivate individuals? So let's say I want to ask this question. I can simply ask this question, and here are the key factors that might motivate an individual. And you will see it has provided me with an accurate citation, and then it's going to highlight the section where this is written. And you guys can see that it provides you with a source guide. And on the left, you have multiple different full in-text references. So if you're writing a document, if you're looking to publish an article and you want a reference, you want a complete reference, then you're going to have the option to add your own reference depending on how recent it is, or if you've already added that citation or a reference, you can add a different one instead that is saying along the lines of the same thing. Then after that, let's say I have a question. So, how does job crafting help organizations be more profitable? That's my question. And instead of having to manually create, all of these answers, and instead of having to be worried about being quizzed about a research, you can ask the Notebook LM all of these questions and it can help you in finding the relevant answers that you might be looking for. So, if you're preparing for a quiz, if you're preparing for a Viva where you're going to be quizzed about something, uploading it here and asking those questions initially yourself can help you in finding the most accurate answers from your own research or from a particular research. You will see that it has provided me with multiple different answers, including improved employee work engagement, complexity of contemporary jobs and the need of the current workforce, reduced employee burnout, and more. Now, not only can you ask questions, but you will see a notebook guide on the right. The notebook guide is going to be still working on your audio overview, suggested questions, and then you can create a briefing doc. So now it is going to create a note. So you can click on add note and you can build certain notes. So important answers, you can click on view chat, and any chat answer that you think is really important for you to remember, you can save it as a note like this. And then you will see a note section. And you will see that this is the answer that we just converted into a note. Then we have a saved response like this. So further research and more. These are the main themes. And then I have an empty note that I can write in. This is the answer to our briefing question. So I asked it to create a note that is going to be a briefing of the information present. So this includes the main theme, key ideas and facts, quotes, and further research that could be done. Now, moving on, this is something that can be tailored further by adding singular or multiple resources. If I want, for example, I am looking for fashion trends like this, and I want to go into Vogue over here, and I'm going to do Command C, and then after that, I can go back into Notebook LM and I can ask it to assess the current fashion trends. You can add multiple different websites that are discussing the same topic, and this will help you in getting the best information from all of those sites. You guys can see this can't be added, and you will see a reason. So, unable to import this web page due to source restrictions. So, there are source restrictions. But let's say if I take a singular article, let's see if that is restricted by Vogue. And it's definitely going to be easier if you download the article, if you convert it into a PDF, or if you copy the text. Yeah, Vogue currently does have restrictions. So you will have to remove the source and it's not going to be workable, but you can always download as a PDF or a workaround. You can see that in our audio overview, a conversation. So you guys can see that our deep dive or our simple audio overview of our source has been created. So like so. So it has generated a really nice conversation. And this can help you in making sure you go through everything and making sure that it's easier for you to gather more knowledge. Now, with that, you even have the option to edit the title. You can click on settings on the top right and you can share on Discord as well as share your notebook. So any specific notebook you want to share, you can click on share on the top right to share that notebook. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with the Notebook LM AI note-taking application. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.